Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Unice Hair, and they do have some new hair that they are selling now. So I did get their platinum blonde in 613. I got some bundles, and then I also got a closure. They didn't have a frontal in 613, so I just got it in black and I bleached it to match the bundles. So this is what the wig looks like when I first made it. But you guys, I wasn't too crazy about the blonde just the way that it was. So I decided to go ahead and color the unit. So I have some clips of what the hair looked like after I colored it. Hey you guys, it's me again, Jess the Dragoness, and today I am showing you guys some hair from Unice Hair. It was blonde and I decided to go ahead and color it, so I want to go ahead and show you guys what I came up with. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload, and make sure you keep on watching. So this is the color I came up with, you guys. The colors that I used were from DNA Essence, and I have used these colors in the past. I used the color Deep Sea on the blue area at the top, and then at the bottom I used two colors. I used copper and I used maroon. So I put the copper on the bottom color first, and then I rinsed that out, and then I put maroon on top of it to create that sort of grayish purple shade at the bottom, and you'll see it when I go ahead and release the wig. So right now I'm just sticking the wig down onto my forehead. I did use the Got To Be, the Ultra Glue in the black bottle because I'm all out of the yellow container, but I do like to use the black container when I don't want it to stick for too hard for too long. Usually when I use the black one, I just want it to stick for the day, and then I just go ahead and lift it up at the end of the day. So that's what I'm doing there, and then I just go ahead and show you guys how I release the curls. I lay my baby hairs down, and yeah, so that's what I go ahead and show you guys in these next clips. I will come back and tell you guys how I like the hair, and yeah, so just keep watching.
But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So yeah, you guys, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Look how healthy it is, how shiny it is. It's so bouncy and long and beautiful. I love the way it took the color. It's multifaceted and just gorgeous. I did use the watercolor method for this, so I just dipped the hair into the color, and this is the colors that I achieved. So to get that nice shiny look, I definitely did use some heat protectant spray oil serum, and that is by a company called The Dew, and yeah, that's how I got it so shiny and gorgeous. Obviously I also deep conditioned the hair for quite a long time, and I used my Indie Hair shampoo and conditioner to achieve that. So the hair was gorgeous. It took the color so nicely. It curled beautifully. I mean, the proof is here for you guys. Unice Hair, I really do like their hair, and this is my first time working with their 613, but it definitely did not disappoint. This frontal in the front was black. I did bleach it to get it to the lightest shade that I could, and yeah, it just did a phenomenal job. If you guys have questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below, and I will definitely be sure to get back to you all as soon as possible. I will leave links to where you can grab your own Unice Hair, and like I said, this is their 613, and that is readily available for you. I'm not sure if they have frontals in 613 in general, or if they just ran out and that's why they sent me a black one. Or maybe they just don't carry 613 in frontals. I'm not sure. But you guys can go ahead and check the website and figure that out. If you guys have any other questions for me, definitely let me know, and I'm happy to get back to you guys. Make sure you guys are checking out my website, www.jessthedragoness.com, and my other site, which is www.gleemade.com, where I do have my synthetic wigs as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you're liking these videos and you're sharing them, because that really, really helps me out, you guys. And yeah, we hit 30,000 subscribers, so yay for that. And I'm almost to 20,000 on Instagram, so make sure you guys are checking me out on my other platforms. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.